we are going to do another audit for a website called Kainet Saffron. Kainet.com named Kainet Saffron, I guess. I may be pronouncing few names wrong here, but yeah, I feel like these are the names. So this is going to be the first e-commerce store which we are going to do the audit for. They are basically selling saffron, honey, dry fruits, grinder containers, and all. And as for the website, you can see these are based in Dubai, if I'm not wrong. Yeah, I'm not sure why. Okay, maybe they want to go globally at some point. That's why they have not used the .ae domain, but .com domain they have started with. I mean, I still feel, I'm not sure. You can comment about it, or you can say more information about it. I still feel if we are locally owned business, especially in countries like Dubai, Saudi, where they promote their local business very efficiently, we should have a domain .ae. But I'm sure there must be some plan of action about it. So this is our website. They are dealing with these kind of a product online. So let's start one by one. First, let's see how the home page. Design wise, these are looking good. There's no, I mean, the slider can be changed. I'm not sure why we are using this kind of a slider. Let's see if they have what kind of metas. Metas, maybe just using brand name won't work actually, but I'm sure maybe they are quite famous. That's why they are just using the brand name. Description is all optimized. Let's talk about the headers. Food stuff trading, not very good. H1, to be very much honest. S3 are good. S2 we can still work on it. Oh, multiple alt tech missing. Breadcrumbs schema, website schema, organization schema. That do not complete. No product schema. Okay, they here we don't need the product. Let's open a product page so we get the better idea. Okay, loyal luxury saffron. This is our product. We have in multiple category. Color combination maybe can improve. Even the bullet point, when we are using content justified, why I use the bullet points? Anyways, these are some UX UI issues. Content, I feel they have used efficiently. FAQs can be more towards the product, not generic questions. That can be one thing. URL, maybe optimize it. Is the same URL which is getting crawled? I guess so. Okay, the URL is getting different. Okay, let's see other things for this web page. Title, again the same issues. Okay, I don't think they have optimized the title very much. They have just used the product name as the meta title and the description of the product as a meta description. Very poor strategy. Canonical tag, perfect. Okay, yeah, then it's fine. They have provided the right kind of canonical tag here, so Google, we are sending right signal to the Google. Now talk about the H1 tag. Not very much optimized, using the same name twice. Same reason to choose where they put this content. Okay, so say they kind of use the blog here only. That's not very. I mean, the content can be better written here. What about the schema? Let's see. Images, yeah, there are some missing the alt tags. Schema, product schema they have used. Breadcrumb schema. Let's check how they have, if they are giving any kind of error or so. Let's see both schema as well as the rich results. Yeah, For schema, everything is good. They have the FAQs. That's why they have used a generic FAQ so that they can implement the same thing. But I still feel that they can be, they can go to the product wise. Yes. Okay, shipping detail is missing. Merchant return policy is missing. This all good. So technically, yeah, they have kind of uh, tried to achieve the schemas and everything. This section I really liked. Not many e-commerce store do this way. Let's see what SEMrush is giving about. Authority score is quite good. Organic search traffic is dropped by 5 percentage in this month, but still they are getting good traffic. So I won't say that they are not. Okay, let's open just for UAE, because overall they have seen much traffic drop. In UAE their traffic is improving, so that's why I wanted to check for the UAE only, because they are offering lots of free stuff and free deliveries. Okay, they are getting Urdu keyword as well, which is a great thing. The traffic is improving, that's very good sign, but still if you see, they are not able to convert it. They are ranking on the first position, volume is 210, the traffic they are generating is 27. I mean, for the even the for the brand name Saffron Orders, not the brand name actually. Saffron store near me, Saffron store near me. Yeah, I guess Saffron is their one of the biggest account, biggest product. Let's see about the pages, which pages are getting the maximum, but they are also getting good traffic on the US. Okay, let's see that after that. This blog section is getting good traffic. This Saffron is getting good traffic. This AR one is getting good traffic. Okay, these are all Saffron based kind of product. So they are updating, they are kind of promoting the collection. So if you are trying to get more traffic on the collection page, I always recommend that after the collection list, just have a section where you can explain the content about the collection products. See, they have only 8 products. They can easily write the content about those 8 products easily and go more generic on the product, go specific to the product, and here you can play on the top level generic kind of content strategy. So the content strategy can be improved here. Oh, so the AR is the, okay, let's see if they have used hlang tag here. Yeah, the language and all they have implemented, that's very good they have done here. That's very good. Yeah, one was the Saffron one on this one was blog one as well. Yeah, this is the blog. Too big thumbnail or banner image, don't you think? I mean, this is very big thumbnail image. Sorry, banner image. I guess this is the keyword, dry foods in Dubai. Let's see, yeah, dry food is the primary keyword here. Quite old blog, but still working and generating traffic like a charm. And that too, not very well look wise. I mean, interlinking, table of content missing here. If they can optimize that part, they can easily generate more traffic for this blog. And I'm not understanding this part. If they are generating traffic for this one, they should have more such blogs. Yeah, but I can see they are writing good about the blog section. 5 must have product for a Ramnath. Okay. Yeah, this one is the, let's see how much traffic this one is getting. How to choose the banner image is a kind of turn off now. Maybe you need to write more. Let's see if they written it using the AI also. I thought so. They are basically just writing content using the AI. Very poor approach. Very poor approach. I mean, take input from AI, take generate the table of content, generate the outline from the AI, but hire a writer. Maybe a cheap one, maybe a just connecting dots from AI, but have a good content writer. Content strategy is something which is lacking here. And as we can see, the traffic majorly coming on these pages only. After that, the product pages are not getting much of a traffic. If I see from here to here, around 30-40 pages are only getting the traffic, and rest of the pages are not even getting. Now let's see about the US one. Yeah, here it's more. Oh, the same scenarios for US one as well. Only 4 or 5 pages are getting. I mean, that's, I'm not sure why they are, these things not triggering from for them yet. Because if you have this many 100 plus pages and only 5 or 6 pages are getting traffic, that's a big red alert that you need to get alert and start picking it. Anyways, let's see. Content is a big time lacking here. Okay, so mostly US traffic got lost, but as we can see, the backlink is also an issue. I mean, almost 10K backlink just, but yeah, 1,000 reference domain is also not bad. Lost. Let's only follow and active. How many domains? 582. Add a filter. Country includes United. I can't put filter for Dubai here. Okay, but yeah, as you can see, they are losing traffic, losing the domains quite a lot now. Okay, let's say authority score. Okay, you see, if I just talk about 30 plus, only 11 domains. That's an out of 11. Yeah, these are, one is generic, Snapchat is generic, Shopify is generic, Bing, I mean around 5 only, Pinterest. So maybe backlink also need to. So see, if we know that we are working on e-commerce store, there are few rules always. First, always pick very specific keyword to the product page, little bit generic to the collection page, more generic to the blog section, and blog section more of a comparative blogs, more of a list related blog, more of a generic information related blog, maybe for in this case recipes and all, which will work very best for this kind of blog. I mean, website looks fine, because I'll tell you what will be the here is like, let's suppose I'm looking for this saffron. I'll just search luxury saffron. Not even, okay. I see few pages. Did you see one thing in terms of result? Product page. Yeah, collection page or product page. Let's say product page. This is also product page and this is also product page. So yeah, one more thing. Let's see about, are they having shopping store or not? For location, I guess I will change to Dubai. The brand I can't see the name. I don't think they have created a I mean, at least have free merchant account. That way it will help. Okay, recommendation time. First, issues. So basic, to some extent we are there. So the basic, in terms of the on page off page technical parts, some extents we are there. That, and eventually once the traffic started building, you will see what are more opportunities there. So you will find out about it. The issue which we need to address here is, have, like, don't target everything on a single thing. Have a proper content strategy. What keyword, what kind of content we are going to target on the product page, then more generic on the collection page, more generic on the blog page. Blog, you can have multiple category, pillar content, cluster post, that's another thing. Or maybe eventually you can have the recipes, glossaries pages, and so on. Because saffron is also a big topic. It's a good brand. You can have multiple, like from where you are getting, and so on. You can create multiple content for that. Okay, first thing, content strategy. Now second thing, I mean, see, basic optimization is fine, but now you need to consider more of a backlink way as well. Just creating won't work. Just submitting here and there won't work. Now AI related content, too many AI blog posts, not a good idea. After that, interlinking and all, I can't see in there, in the blog section or product pages. And just like this, I mean, if it's a product page, just stick to the product page. No, why include it? FAQ section, stick, put FAQ related to that product. No, people want to know about the product. Have generic FAQs as well, that's fine, but have some product related to the FAQs related to product as well, right? After that, one more thing, I mean, you can create Google Merchant Store. That's very basic. I mean, you can have a feed, create a blog, Google Merchant Store. And I'll tell you, I used to have an account related to kitchen appliances, and they used to generate around 50 60 orders in a month from the free store. Not sure if we have created the account ads for them, how much they will generate. Even in this case, a basic optimization can lead to good results. So yeah, that's it from now. And these are very generic, I know, very generic output and all, but we are on time frame, and that's why it's over the top generic kind of recommendation, generic kind of audit. If you're looking for more detailed audit, just text on the Instagram, and we'll see it from there. Thank you so much.